Lesson number 22. A team of workers. All body parts stand together, holding hands. All work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Mouth. Ants come forward and tell us what you do. Ants. We lift, we hold, we carry, we give, and we take. We pull, we push, we put 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There is nothing that we can't do. Mouth. Feet come forward and tell us what you do. Feet. We walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about, and just in time we stop. Mouth. Eyes, ears, nose. What about you? Eyes. We open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. Ears. And be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose. I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Mouth. Oh, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All. That's right. The belly doesn't do any work. Belly. That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Eyes. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Ants. The only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All. We won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Belly. Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 3 hours later, Belly, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others, no means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Belly, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others, sorry, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 2 days later, Belly, how are you, my friends? Mouth, oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, we feel so weak. Eyes, we can't see properly. Ears and nose, we feel so tired. All, what's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? Enter brain. Brain, you silly fellows. Now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. All. Could it be? Is it the belly? Brain. Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? All. Yes, yes. Now we know this belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work. All old ants and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work.